It's true that I've called you 1,000 times to come stay with me when I'm crying in my room after all the times that you shut the door in my face, made me walk back to my place. I guess time stood still, you stopped loving me, and I don't know if you will again. But hey, you are not the person I knew. You would stay with me, stay with me. Hey, I would gladly leave if you would let go of me, go with me. I tried to stop the poison from sinking in. You know I did. And you